Okay, not sure how this is going to come out, but this is me trying to strip and rebuild a RX-8 front left caliper. Just literally taken off the car about 5 minutes ago. There's not very many videos out there, or next to no videos I can see of any RX-8 calipers being done. So I thought I'll make this one. I'm not very good at commentary, but I'll you just watch. It's probably the easiest way. Okay. So yeah, sit back and enjoy. It's not going to be that exciting. Pins have been put around the wrong way. Oh no, then it's just the rubber's completely missing from this one. Handy. Let's see the oil down there. Set this one out. This piston doesn't look too bad compared to the other one I've just done. Still replacing all the hardware. It's not too bad. Don't know if it's focusing or not, but it's stiffen out. Okay. I'll be able to see from the witness marks on the back where they've come from. As you can see, you can tell which side way around, so I'm not too bothered about those. Don't want to lose these. Let's add the pin out. It's not too bad. This one, either the rubber is all the way in there or it was put in without it. Some more wash bath. Okay, has to be put my wash bath to be cleaned up a bit more before I do anything with it. I want to get all the crap off of it before I do much, and then strip it back to metal, and then clean up. Repaint. Okay, this is where we need to now get the piston out. Looking at this, is reasonably new piston by the looks of it. There's some rust in it, but not a lot. I need to get this one out. Now, best advice, if you can, find a bit of wood you can put in between. Unfortunately, my selections of wood ain't great in here at the moment, so you have to excuse the length. But you get the idea. You just need something to stop the piston coming out fully. You'll see what I mean in a minute, because they do come out of rate of knots if you're not careful. Airline. Okay, so just put a bit of wood in there, just so you know it's not going to go. It's better down through the bleed hole. Let's see if we can manipulate this a little bit better, get a bit more of a seal. There we go. Okay, so you can see the pistons come out. It's not sprung across your workshop or whatever and hit you in the face. Obviously, if you're just doing a seal replacement, this is exactly what you want, so you can get the seal